Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back. Today's story is all about the water. Leo can swim. And this is written by Annie McQuinn and illustrated by Ruth Harrison. Leo can swim. Leo loves the water. He is like a little fish. Leo and Daddy are going to swim class tomorrow. Leo puts on his swim diaper and swim trunks in the changing room. Everything else goes in the locker. Everyone says hello. The babies sit on the edge of the pool. Now the swim class is ready. The babies slide in. Then they hold on tight. Off they go, kick, kick, kick. Wow, they look like they're having so much fun. They swish and swoosh, they splish and sploosh. Leo and Daddy. They sing a splashy song. Can you make up a splashy song? Then Daddy is daddy fish and Leo is baby fish. Leo loves that. Next, it's off to the shower. They use sloshy soap and sloppy lotion. Being a little fish is a lot of work. After a quick snack, Leo is fast asleep. I hope you enjoyed today's story, boys and girls. See you next time.